Sustainable Construction Materials, presented by Prashant Sonani and myself Ashok Gaware, guided under Professor MC Sheikh. In India, tremendous environmental problems are arising in construction industry due to rapid urbanization, increase in demand of residential dwelling units which leads to consume more energy, resources, raw materials which are responsible for the rise in the carbon footprint. Introduction. The pursuit of sustainable development brings the built environment and construction industry into sharp relief. It is a well-known fact that the construction industry is a major contributor to socio-economic development in most of the countries. The sustainable development uses locally available building materials which are energy efficient and durable to set the prices and tariffs of goods and services to achieve a more efficient use of resources. Methodology. Careful selection of environmentally sustainable building materials is the easiest way for architects to begin incorporating sustainable design principles in building. Traditionally, price has been the foremost consideration when comparing similar materials or materials designed for the same function. Sustainable building material. Sustainable building materials can be defined as materials with overall superior performance in terms of specified criteria. For selection of sustainable building materials, the following criteria are commonly used: locally produced and sourced materials, transport cost and environmental impact, thermal efficiency, financial viability, use of renewable resources, etc. Sustainable material. Lime. Lime is our chief material which replaces the cement in building construction. Concrete, mortar, plaster, or stucco color lime plaster. The volatile organic compounds paints are available by using colored lime plaster as paints. Fly ash bricks. Fly ash bricks is one of the naturally occurring byproducts from the coal combustion process and is a material that is nearly the same as volcanic ash. There are following types of fly ash bricks: fly ash lime, gypsum bricks, clay fly ash bricks, sand fly ash bricks, red mud fly ash bricks. Environmental and social benefits of using fly ash bricks are: eliminate carbon emissions, save topsoil, source of all the year round employment, prevention of dumping or fly ash in ponds. Ferrocement. Ferrocement has a very high tensile strength to weight ratio and superior cracking behavior in comparison to reinforced concrete. Advantages of ferrocement: very high quality control, prefabricated projects, easy production and installation, fast construction, improved structural performance, etc. Plastic. The project elucidates about the use of plastic in civil construction. The components used include everything from plastic screws and hangers to bigger plastic parts that are used in decoration, electrical wiring, flooring, wall covering, and waterproofing. Plastic used in road construction that have shown same hope in terms of using plastic waste in road construction, that is plastic roads mainly use plastic carry bags, disposable cups, etc. By using plastic waste as a modifier, we can reduce the quantity of cement and sand by their weight, hence decreasing the overall cost of construction. Conclusion. Sustainable building materials are those which are produced or sourced locally. These materials are containing recycled and industrial waste materials and byproducts. Sustainable materials have a lower impact on environment and are thermally efficient. The production of these building materials require considerable less amount of energy in production when compared to the modern or traditional construction materials.